Hello, my name is Hector Vega. I'm here at Gettel Toyota in Bradenton, and I'm going to show you how to connect your Apple CarPlay. As you can see, first thing you want to do is go ahead and grab your cord from your actual glove box if it's provided in the vehicle. Go ahead and connect your USB cord here, right at the bottom of the radio and the AC. Go ahead and grab your iPhone, and this is very simple. As soon as you connect the cord to your iPhone, you're going to get a prompt that shows allow CarPlay with Toyota RAV4 because it's the vehicle. Allow it. Well, after the prompt, you're going to go ahead and have your Apple CarPlay installed in your vehicle. So it's going to mimic everything from your phone right to your console.